Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Adobe Acrobat into your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply go for your Google Chrome browser and then here you just need to search for Adobe Acrobat Reader download suggestion over here. So if you click on that, then you'll get this website called Download Adobe Acrobat Reader Free PDF Viewer. So if you click on that, then there will be an option to download, and if you click on download Acrobat Reader, then you can see the download has been started and it's completed. And now if you click on it 2 times to install, there will be a permission, click yes, and now minimize the browser and then you can see installation in progress. So it will take some minutes to download. For that, you just need to keep patience. And you can see that the installation is finished. And now if you click on finish right now, and then if you just click the select as default app for PDF files, Acrobat, and then click set default. And after a short time, you can see your Acrobat is open into your computer in this manner. So this is how you can download and install Acrobat for your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.